Hello and welcome back. My name is Giselle and welcome to my Music Foundation YouTube video. Today I will talk about 3 ways to read music. The first is, what is your range? And by range I mean hand position. If your hands are going to be in C position, if your hand's going to be in G position, A, B, so on and so forth. By knowing your range, you have an idea of how your hand is going to be moving. The second way is when you're reading the music notes, you're watching if the note heads are moving up or down. Sometimes when I am teaching, I like to mark some arrows for students who are having a little bit more difficulty to see how the notes are moving up, down. And as you're moving up from D, you're moving up to E, and you're moving down to D. You can hear it also in pitch as well. If the notes are moving up, or if the notes are moving down. The last way to read music is with your acronyms. And I have discussed about acronyms in my prior video. To quickly discuss on acronyms, we have your treble clef, 5 lines, every good boy that's fine, 4 spaces, space. Bass clef, to recap on this again, great big dogs for animals. There are different acronyms for bass clef lines, and for space, so 4 spaces, all cows eat grass. You always read both clefs from bottom to top. I hope this helps. All the best to your reading endeavors. Have a beautiful and lovely day. Please subscribe. Bye.